Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by launching PowerShell ISE as an administrator so permissions won't block you. Once done, set the execution policy to remote signed or unrestricted for your test environment. This lets scripts run while protecting remote code. Next, create or open a PS1 file and save it in a clear working folder so you know where output goes. Make sure to check the status bar for the host path, and then you're ready to write the first few lines of the script. You'll edit in the script pane and test interactively in the console pane to see immediate results. Use F5 to run the whole PS1, or select lines and choose Run Selection to iterate fast. This is why ISE speeds debugging. Add parameters and comment blocks at the top so you and others understand usage. Also include try/catch blocks to capture errors. That makes failures informative instead of silent. Once a change passes, run the whole file again to validate behavior end-to-end. You finish by saving and, when appropriate, signing scripts or restoring a stricter execution policy to reduce risk. Make sure to test on a clean environment so dependencies and modules load correctly. If something goes wrong, run get execution policy, check test path for file locations, and add write verbose to see internal logic. If blocked by Windows, right-click the file and choose Unblock or Set Remote Signed. If a module fails, use Install Module and import it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.